Are your legs feeling weaker as you age? Do you want to walk, garden, or play with your grandkids without worrying about pain or weakness? Today, we're talking about 6 essential vitamins every senior needs to keep your legs strong and stay active. Stay until the end, and you'll learn how to get these vitamins easily without spending extra on unnecessary supplements. The first vitamin is vitamin D. Vitamin D is your bone and muscle protector. As we age, we absorb less vitamin D, which can weaken bones and increase your risk of falls. It also helps your muscles work properly, reducing cramps and weakness. To get more vitamin D, spend 15 to 20 minutes in the sun each day, or include foods like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified milk in your meals.
The second vitamin is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve health and maintaining your energy levels. A deficiency in B12 can lead to numbness, weakness, and balance problems, making it harder to walk safely and confidently. To get more B12, include lean meats, eggs, dairy products, or B12-fortified cereals in your diet.
The third vitamin is vitamin C. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, which keeps your joints flexible and reduces stiffness in your knees and hips. It also supports your immune system, helping you stay healthy and active. You can get vitamin C from citrus fruits like oranges, berries, bell peppers, and broccoli.
The fourth vitamin is vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation in your joints and muscles, supporting circulation and preventing cramps. You can find vitamin E in nuts, seeds, and healthy oils like olive oil to keep your legs strong and your joints moving smoothly.
The fifth vitamin is vitamin K. Vitamin K is important for bone strength because it helps your body use calcium properly, reducing the risk of fractures if you fall. To get more vitamin K, eat leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli to keep your bones strong and your legs stable.
The sixth vitamin is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 helps reduce inflammation and supports nerve health, which can help prevent tingling, weakness, and discomfort in your legs. Good sources of B6 include bananas, chicken, potatoes, and chickpeas.
Taking care of your legs means taking care of your freedom and independence. Start adding these 6 essential vitamins to your meals to keep your legs strong so you can stay active and enjoy life without fear of weakness or falls. If you found this helpful, tap the like button and subscribe for more practical health tips for seniors who want to stay independent and strong. And remember, small daily choices can lead to big changes in your health and mobility. Stay strong, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.